Let's build a website as engaging and informative as Ali Abdaal's, right here in Webflow, in just 90 seconds. First, we'll start with a clean Webflow canvas. We'll focus on replicating the core structure of Ali's homepage. Begin by adding a full-width section to your page. This will be the foundation for our hero area, where the main message lives. Inside this section, drag a container. This helps to center and manage the content width, keeping everything visually balanced. Now, let's add a heading. This is where we'll place a strong, attention-grabbing statement, similar to Ali's signature opening. Beneath the heading, add a paragraph element. This is for your supporting text, providing a bit more context and drawing users in. Don't forget a clear call to action button. This is crucial for guiding visitors to the next step, just like on Ali's site. Next, let's create another section for features or testimonials. This often involves using a grid layout. Add a grid element to this section. We'll configure this to display content in columns. You can adjust the column count to match the desired layout. Within each grid cell, add a div block. These will act as individual content cards, holding an icon, heading, and descriptive text. For each card, you'll likely need an image. This could be an icon or a small graphic representing the feature. Then, add a smaller heading and a paragraph inside the card to describe the feature or testimonial. Now, let's tackle the navigation. Add a navbar element at the very top of your page. Inside the navbar, you'll add a logo element on the left and navigation links on the right, linking to different sections of your site. Finally, scroll to the bottom and add a footer section. This usually includes copyright information and social links. As you build, remember to apply custom styles. Match the typography, colors, and spacing to that clean, professional look Ali is known for. And there, you have a foundational replica of Ali Abdaal's website, built step by step in Webflow.